darkness is gone, a new day appears across the distant skies. I try to hold back my tears and fears of what today would be like, of all the problems that I have to face, of choices I need to make, on what's right or wrong, on whose side I'm on, decides my final destiny. There are only two ways to travel, the way of life and way of death. But I've got Jesus right here beside me. He'll see me through until the end. We face all trials, troubles, tribulations, until that glorious day, when He shall say to me on that great morning, come enter now into gloryland. The sun slowly sets over the horizon, the end of day is drawing, and so are my days on earth, drawing close to the end of heartaches and fears, to much better days, to a much better place, where all good things will come my way. The question that stands is on whose side I'm on, decides my final destiny. There are only two ways to travel, the way of life and way of death. But I've got Jesus right here beside me. He'll see me through until the end. We face all trials, troubles, tribulations, until that glorious day, when He shall say to me on that great morning, come enter now into gloryland. When He shall say to me on that great morning, come enter now into gloryland.